Top 5 must-have pet gadgets on Amazon. Your pet will love these. Hey, pet parents, are you ready to upgrade your furry friend's life and maybe make your own a little easier? We've scoured Amazon for the absolute coolest, most innovative pet gadgets that are making waves. From smart tech to everyday problem solvers, these are the top 5 must-have pet gadgets you can find on Amazon right now. Let's dive in. Gadget 1, Smart Pet Camera with Treat Dispenser. Ever wonder what your pet's doing when you're out, or wish you could check in and even give him a little snack? This gadget is a game changer. You can see, hear, and even talk to your pet in real time. But the coolest part is you can remotely toss them a treat right from your phone. It's perfect for easing separation anxiety or just making sure they know you're thinking of them. And the night vision means you can even check in after dark. Gadget 2, Automatic Pet Feeder, Smart. Coming in at number 4, we have the Smart Automatic Pet Feeder. Life gets busy, right? This feeder takes the stress out of meal times. You can schedule up to multiple meals a day, control precise portion sizes, and some models even let you record a custom message to call your pet to eat. It's fantastic for maintaining a consistent feeding schedule, preventing overeating, and ensuring your pet never misses a meal, even if you're running late. Plus, it keeps their food fresh. Gadget 3, Filtered Pet Water Fountain. At number 3, say goodbye to stagnant water bowls and hello to filtered pet water fountain. Many pets prefer running water, and this gadget encourages them to drink more, which is vital for their health. These fountains constantly circulate and filter the water, removing hair, dirt, and odors. It's fresher, cleaner, and tastes better to your pet, promoting better hydration and overall well-being. Easy to clean, too. Gadget 4, Electric Dog Nail Grinder. Our runner-up at number 2 is the electric dog nail grinder. If clipping your pet's nails fills you with dread, you need this. It's a safer, less stressful alternative to traditional clippers. These grinders gently file down your dog's nails, reducing the risk of cutting too far and causing pain. They're quieter than you think, rechargeable, and many come with different ports for various nail sizes. Keep those paws healthy and comfortable without the fuss. Gadget 5, Portable Dog Paw Cleaner. In our top pick, number 1, the gadget that will save your floors and your sanity, the Portable Dog Paw Cleaner. Muddy paws after a walk, rain, or snow, this simple but brilliant gadget is your new best friend. Just add a little water, insert the paw, twist, and then dry. The soft silicone bristles get all the dirt and mud out before your dog tracks it all over your house. It's incredibly effective, easy to use, and a total game changer for keeping your home clean. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. And there you have it, our top 5 pet gadgets on Amazon that are worth every penny. Whether you're a dog person, a cat person, or both, there's something here to make life better for everyone in your household. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to check any of these out, we've put direct links to all 5 in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more pet content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.